Just a quick demo video on some upgrades we just did on this new 2.8 Landcruiser. As you can see, the upgraded LED headlights, very nice add-on. I'm going to show you a couple of other upgrades we just got done doing. All standard plug and play upgrade kits. First of all, we did the OEM reverse camera add-on to the original radio, as these units do not come out with reverse camera. We did the plug and play OEM steering control upgrade kit that integrates with your Toyota original radio. And then we also did the plug and play cruise control upgrade kit. As you can see there, full cruise control. And then we also did the AutoChimp front camera kit. As you can see there, camera 1 and 2. Camera 1 allows me to activate my rear cam while driving. That's a nice function to have when you're towing. And camera 2 will give me full front camera on my Toyota original radio. Some awesome upgrades.